Nature, it truly is one of the best mental health healers that I think you can find here on Earth. Take a look at my son about to walk behind this huge waterfall. Do you think it's comfortable back there? Do you think it's nice and warm and cozy? And yet, there he goes to get soaked under the waterfall. When he emerges, he's happy, he's smiling, and not long after he comes out of that drenching monsoon-like situation on a cold Washington State morning, I follow him in. I enjoy the water, and I can tell you, I felt better when I came out. Get yourself outside. Go enjoy nature. Get uncomfortable and find comfort in the discomfort. I guarantee this will help you to become stronger mentally, to find a way to get through the daily challenges of life with more happiness, and you will be able to help those around you. Get outside and have some fun.